Hey guys, let's check out hot water bag. Hello, namaste. How are you doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. आप कैसे हो? नाले इरकिंगला. As you see here, we have ordered hot water bags on Flipkart, and these are available on Swiggy, Instamart, Shopsy, and Amazon as well. You can check out the products link in the description box, or you can tap on view products to have one, because it's a good quality product. As you're watching in the video, a cap or a stopper is given with which you have to seal the bag while you're using it, and it's very simple to use. Wherever the pain resides, you just have to place this bag and get relief from your pain. It can be used for body aches or any kind of arthritis pain as well. You can use it for muscle cramps or pains. If you have any joint, back or neck pains, you can use happily to have comfort and instant relief from your pains. It keeps you warm during cold weathers. As you see here, it is made up of rubber material. It's a good quality material. Now we'll see as how to use this hot water bag. Just heat the water in a bowl as you're watching here. Make sure that you don't bring it to boil. Just heat the water at 90 degrees temperature. Then open the cap of the bag. As you're watching here, you can pour the water into the bag slowly. Make sure that you fill the bag up to 2/3 of its capacity, not more than that, and check it whether it's leak proof or not. If you have any excess air arrested in the bag, make sure you squeeze the air out and then place the bag wherever the pain resides. As I said earlier, you can use it for any kind of body pains to get relief instantly. You can use it for 10 minutes to get pain relief. So it's very simple and easy, but some of the precautions you have to take is the water should not be at boiling point whenever you pour the water into the bag, because it succumbs to injuries. If any of you watching my video for the first time, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications without fail. And thank you all for subscribing to Flying Skies One. Thank you. So do try the product on yourself or on your loved ones. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Peace out.